All right, here I am unboxing the Hewlett-Packard Spectre x360 convertible PC. It comes with a beautiful case, neoprene I think they call this. All right, as you can see, very well done, Hewlett-Packard. Beautiful, gorgeous. We've got power button, USB, SD card. Then we have mini display port, Windows button, HDMI, 2 more USB, and of course your headphone and slash microphone audio jack. And let's see what she looks like. Voila. Beautiful. Gorgeous. Of course you can see everything here. So, time to plug it in. All right. Ready to set it up. Everything looks good. Touchpad mouse, very nice. So far, pretty brilliant screen. Go ahead and enter all this in, and we'll see what it looks like for the main screen. Okay, loaded in all the information, and here is the HP getting ready to set up things for me. As you can see, it's telling me it's setting things up for me. It's installing all the apps right now, and this is fresh out of the box. I chose my color, I entered in my personal information, and also set up a Microsoft account. And right now it says it's installing apps. I love the keyboard. I love this whole futuristic feel about it. It's gorgeous. And you can turn the keyboard backlight off and on with the press of a button. It's great for nighttime. And of course, it's your standard keyboard. You got your wireless button, your airplane mode. Nothing out of the ordinary, your Windows button, of course. And so now I'm not sure how long this will take. So we'll just fade out now and wait till I get something else on the screen. Okay, here we go. Main screen. Lots of different features. I haven't used Windows 8 before in my life, so this should be interesting. It says here, new app installed. Gives me all of my different buttons I can use. I've got email, Skype, McAfee. I assume that's settings. I've already put in that I'm here in Winnipeg. As you can see, it's got the weather, photos, Internet Explorer, games, camera, webcam, audio, video, and of course other photos. And it looks like we've got news here, maps, reading lists, and all of this is stuff that I can sort to my own use, which will take some time, of course. But let's head into, what can we head into here? Let's look at games. This is Xbox games. Oh, I love this. I love that I can, wow, just touch the screen like that. It's awesome. And look how brilliant it is. I don't know if you can see that, but it is very great graphics on here. I do not have an Xbox account, nor do I have an Xbox, so kind of not going to use this right now. However, that's okay. And now to get out of this, that is the question. Oh, there we go. I just went to the left. This way brings me another place. Okay, I get it. Let's check out Netflix. I guess Netflix is an app, so you can install it here. Awesome. Pretty easy. Comes up with my email and whatnot, but I have to actually approve the email that it sent me first, so we'll have to do that later. All right, so you can just keep moving left and right and getting your information. Let's get out of here. It brings me back to Xbox. Get out of here brings me to MSN, which is interesting. All right, and back here again. I would like to go back to the start page, like that. I'm definitely gonna have to get used to this touchscreen, but I know that this is something I'm going to enjoy highly because it's so sleek. It's definitely got some weight to it, but that's because of the quality of the products that they use to make this. Intel inside, Core i7. It's awesome. I'm loving it, loving it, loving it. Let's check out the news. Fortunate events in Nepal right now, but you can see, you can customize the news, add sections, take out sections, different sources of where you get your mail, where it's from. This is from Canada. There's the world, international news, tech and science, etc. The list goes on. I just love that I can actually touch the screen. With my current computer, I can't do that. So, go back out again. Very cool. Loving it. All right, so I'm going to register for this and then start using this bad boy and let it charge up so I can show you the convertible use as well. All right,